All right, good morning, Math 8 students. Today's Khan Academy is use area of squares to visualize the Pythagorean theorem. As if you've done the other three Pythagorean theorem ones, your knowledge of the Pythagorean theorem should be such where this one is probably going to be the easiest Khan you've done to date. But if you haven't done the other ones, then this one may not be so easy. So let's get started here. This is what it'll look like after you click the link. But here I've taken 4 examples that were the example problems I actually did right on Khan Academy. And I flew through these pretty quick. The first one, we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So the question is, does 7 plus 18 equal 27? Well, 7 plus 18 is 25. Does 25 equal 27? The answer is no. So it gave me 2 options. Yes, it is a right triangle, or no, it's not a right triangle. This one would be no, it's not. Okay, second example. Excuse me. Excuse me again. The diagram shows a right triangle and 3 squares. The area of the largest square is 67. So if you think about it, if we were to type it in, the area of this square, I'll move it up there now. The area of the largest square would be 67 units. So the question is, if this is the area of the other 2 squares, and they're given 3 examples, which ones could possibly make a right triangle? Well, 8 and 58 add up to 66, so no. 7 plus 60 equals 67, so yep, that equals it. 11 plus 56 also equals 67, so that would be. So you would simply click these 2 as your 2 choices for which ones work. Hopefully that's not very difficult for you. The next one, it says that the areas of this small side is 13, the area of this small side is 13. We need to find the length of this side. Well, we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 13 plus 29.25 is 42.25. That's what x squared or c squared equals. So you take the square root of that, and you get 6.5. So the length of this side would be 6.5 units. Hopefully that one makes good sense to you. And my final one, which might be the easiest of them all, it says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So what plus 33 equals 44? What plus 33 equals 44? And yep, your answer would be 11 plus 33 is 44. So that question mark, you would fill in the answer of 11. Hopefully you've done all the different ones so far, and this one was as easy for you as I'm hoping it is for you. If it is, then you don't have a lot of math going on today. You can knock this assignment out pretty quickly. If you have not caught up on the other ones, please do so now. It would be a great time to get caught up on those. And again, I'm available from 9 to 11 in the morning, or again from 1 to 3 in the afternoon. Look forward to helping you. Make sure that when you submit any work to me, you show me the work you're doing, so then when I get back to you, I can go through exactly what you did or did not do correctly. So look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.